The connection between thought or mindset and genetics is a fascinating intersection of psychology, neuroscience, and epigenetics. Here's a breakdown of how they interact. 1. Genetics, your biological blueprint. Your genes influence traits like temperament, intelligence, stress response, and predisposition to mental or physical illness. But genes are not destiny, they provide the potential, not the fixed outcome. 2. Power of thought, the mind's influence. Your thoughts, beliefs, and mindset shape your experiences, behaviors, and even brain chemistry. Chronic stress, positivity, resilience, and mindfulness all impact your biology over time. 3. Epigenetics, where thought meets DNA. Epigenetics studies how environmental factors, including thoughts, emotions, and behavior, can activate or silence genes. For example, stress can turn on genes related to inflammation. Meditation has been shown to influence gene expression linked to immunity and aging. Trauma can cause changes in gene expression that are sometimes passed down generationally. 4. Mind over matter. Positive thinking doesn't rewrite your DNA, but it can modulate gene expression and influence your brain structure through neuroplasticity. Practices like gratitude, visualization, and focused attention can subtly reshape your biology over time. In essence, your thoughts can influence how your genes express themselves. While your DNA is the script, your mind, through environment, emotion, and experience, can be the director. Epigenetics is the study of how your behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way your genes work, without changing the underlying DNA sequence itself. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. What is epigenetics? You inherit your DNA from your parents, that's your genome. But not all genes are on all the time. Epigenetics is about how and when genes are turned on or off. This is done through chemical tags that attach to your DNA or histone proteins, which package DNA. 2. How it works is 2 main mechanisms. DNA methylation. A methyl group CH3 attaches to DNA and usually turns a gene off. Histone modification. Histones help organize DNA. Chemical changes to histones can tighten or loosen DNA, affecting gene expression. 3. Influences on epigenetics. Your epigenome can be shaped by diet, stress, exercise, sleep, toxins/environment, thoughts and emotions. These factors can cause genes to be expressed differently, sometimes permanently, and even passed to future generations. 4. Real-life examples. Trauma and mental health. Studies show that severe childhood trauma can cause epigenetic changes linked to anxiety and depression. Maternal influence. What a mother eats or feels during pregnancy can influence the baby's gene expression. Twins. Identical twins have the same DNA, but their epigenetic markers diverge over time due to life experiences. 5. Can we influence our epigenome? Yes, through lifestyle. Mindfulness and meditation have been shown to positively affect gene expression, e.g., reducing inflammation. Regular exercise and healthy diet can turn on protective genes. Avoiding chronic stress helps prevent harmful gene activation. In one line, epigenetics is proof that your choices and environment can shape your biology, even across generations. 1. Mindset rewires biology. Thoughts aren't just in your head, they produce chemical reactions in your body. A growth mindset, self-belief, and emotional resilience can shift your stress response, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy gene expression. Example, practicing gratitude has been linked to lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and changes in gene expression related to immune function. 2. Habits as epigenetic triggers. Daily habits like meditation, exercise, quality sleep, journaling, clean eating don't just make you feel better, they activate beneficial genes related to energy, repair, longevity, and emotional balance. 3. Breaking generational patterns. If your family has a history of trauma, anxiety, or unhealthy coping mechanisms, epigenetics says You can be the one to change the story for yourself and future generations. Healing emotionally, setting new patterns, and nurturing a healthy environment can reprogram inherited gene expression over time. 4. Neuroplasticity plus epigenetics equals superpower. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to change itself. Epigenetics is your body's ability to shift gene expression. Together, they mean you can rewire your thoughts, behaviors, and biology at almost any age. 5. Practical path for epigenetic personal growth. Area practice, epigenetic impact. Mind meditation, affirmations turns off stress-related genes. Body exercise, sleep activates longevity plus repair genes. Emotions therapy, journaling rewires trauma and stress responses. Spirit gratitude, breathwork balances nervous system plus gene regulation. In a nutshell, you are not limited by your genes. With intention and consistency, your daily choices can rewrite your inner code.